Hello and welcome to this Autodesk Inventor tutorial where we will be producing this bike multi-tool part. So if you look at our drawing here, what we're trying to do simply comes from one sketch and it leads to one extrusion. So it's quite a simple part, but with a lot of detail to it. We're then going to export it to a working drawing that will look something like this, where we produce a front view, a plan view and a side view from it, and it will give us an auxiliary orthographic view as well. Isometric view. So to start off, the first thing we need to do is create a new part. To do that, your drawing, when you start off Autodesk Inventor, will look something like this. It's really important we get this bit right. So if we click metric, it will give us the opportunity to create a standard millimeter part. If we go by the default settings, it will give us inches and everything will go horribly wrong. So if we click create, we've got our new part. So we're going to go click Start 2D Sketch. And again, quite importantly, we're going to click on the YZ plane and we're going to draw a simple rectangle. That rectangle needs to be 68.5 millimeters wide by 18. So where this says 16.250, I'm just going to type in 18. Use a tab key to turn that to 68.5. And that is my rectangle. The next thing we need to do is create a circle. That circle needs to be 6 millimeters diameter, and I'm going to position this accurately now. Put the circle anywhere I like, so I'm going to click dimension, and when my mouse hovers over that circle, the center of the circle, you will see a white square appear. As soon as I left click on that white square, it goes blue, and I'm going to select that line there, and that will go blue, and then click 9. I then want to center that circle off the end. So I'm going to again hit the center of the circle and I'm going to come in off this end here, and that size there wants to be 62 millimeters. I'll change that to 62, and then I want to draw a circle now, another circle from here at 13.5, and that will be that there. So that's that part done. The next thing we need to do is another line from the center. Let's draw a line from the center here, and we're going to offset that line on its own by 3 millimeters, and that's going to give us a point that we can do the angle coming off there. So I'm going to select that line and delete it. No, I don't want that line, so I'll select it and delete it. Select that line and delete it, and I'm going to trim there. So I'm going to have an endpoint to work from. So if I select a line and I work from that endpoint there, and that wants to be, I'm not worried about the length, 12.295 is fine. If I go to 135, that is good. So I can then trim there. I can then trim there. I'm going to undo that point there, I don't like that. And then I'm going to fillet at this point there to there. And I'm going to change the radius to 1. Excellent. The next thing I want to do is draw a line from the center here. Okay, and I'm going to offset that line there through 3 that way. And I can then trim there. I might delete some of these dimensions because they'll start to constrain the drawing. I want to keep that there. I'm going to trim there, there, and there. And I think I need to trim here and there. And I'm going to put a fillet radius on this corner here and that corner there. And if we look at that, we've started to build the basis of the drawing. So I'm going to finish that sketch for now. It's important we save this, and make sure you save this as Bike Multitool. And I will look forward to welcoming you back for the next part. Thank you very much.